Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. It's my pleasure today to show you this 2019 3343 New Aire by Newmar. This is a short, high-end Newmar diesel pusher. It's got a 360 Cummins. It's got a 10,000 pound tow capacity, and it is a very nice, well-equipped coach. Big storage in the back. Closet, got a safe on the far side for all your valuables. In this area here you can have a washer dryer, or you can keep it as a closet. It's all hooked up and ready to go. Big TV here in the bedroom, lots of storage, beautiful wood. Privacy door here in the bedroom. Okay, as we move out, we've got nice storage lit right here with slide drawers, stainless steel ball bearing slides, residential refrigerator, freezer down below, good place to keep all your food. Of course, here we've got our bathroom. This is an emergency escape door. Instead of going out of a window in case of an emergency, you have an emergency escape door, built-in ladder, drops down, swings out, makes it simple to get out of this coach if you need to. Nice shower, vanity over here with lots of storage. Across over here we've got our microwave convection oven, great big, good size. This is an all-electric coach, folks. They did a great job even on the back of these panels here. You've got a cutting board. Induction cooktop. This actually can be removed and taken outside to cook outside. One big sink, stainless steel, and that goes back in just like that. Spray nozzle here, plenty of storage up above. Okay, as we move into the living room area, got a nice fireplace, plenty of storage, great comfortable recliners in this coach, more storage up above, storage below here in the dinette. Televator goes up and down. This actually becomes almost like two more recliners here. You sit here, have your coffee in the morning, or talk to the other people in the coach. Both front seats turn around. You have your lounge chairs there with a little table in between. On these Newmar diesels, it's all ducted in the ceiling, 6-inch ceiling, 3-inch walls, dual pane windows, 4-inch floor, best insulated coaches on the market. When the filters gets dirty, you just take it off, rinse it in the sink, and stick it back up here. All ducted and insulated. This coach will keep you cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. That runs right down the middle of the coach. Okay, as we move forward, this coach, you've got a desk over here on this side for the passenger, just like that. Real easy to put away. Flips down here, gets out of your way. You've got a charging station for your phone right there. You just lay your phone on it. The driver also has a charging station right here. You got auto leveling, you've got, navigation, you've got everything that you need. This coach is equipped with Comfort Drive, which is electronically assisted steering. It constantly seeks center. It is a pleasure to drive. If you've never driven a Newmar diesel pusher, you need to come in and see me, because you're going to be blown away. Drives wonderful. If you blow a front tire on this coach, a piece of metal flies up, it reads it as a catastrophic event, and this coach will stop in a straight line. I would love to take you on a test drive. Even if you're not interested right now, maybe it's a someday thing, come and see me. This is an awesome coach to drive. All the diesel pushers for Newmar are awesome. Okay, we're going to move outside. Full body paint. You've got great awnings on this coach. Come out, tip down Girard awnings. Alloy wheels, full body paint, even an awning over the door, LED lights. This slide, when it comes in, it fits flush into this receptacle area right here. These gaskets last longer because they're not in the sun. Rain goes over the top because it is a flush fit. It's a great idea. Outside TV here, frameless windows, storage here, slide tray here, 2 slide trays, makes it real easy, lots of room. Moving down the coach, more storage here, you got plug-ins there. More storage here. Chassis batteries, power switch for the chassis. Okay, moving toward the back of the coach. Nice thing about this coach, you got access to the motor area. If you're someone that likes to check their fluids and their belts, you do have access on this coach. It is a side draft radiator. Again, 10,000 pound tow capacity, 360 Cummins. This coach is equipped with 360 security. Here's your security camera. You got one in the front and on both sides. You hear something go bump in the night, you don't have to go outside. You can look inside. You can be safe. Toppers on the slide. Here's your side draft radiator. There's your DEF fluid and a spot for your sewer hose. Your water hose on a reel, filter, all your hookups, outside shower, dump station. This is that emergency escape door I was telling you about. Oasis, Chinook, hydronic heat system. If you're hooked up, you can take a 5-hour shower if you want to. Great, quiet heat. Doesn't vary more than 2 or 3 degrees. It pumps the hot fluid to the registers, it blows it out. Nice and quiet. You don't have that big variance in temperature. There's your 50 amp cord right there. Drop hinges here. See how that drops down? Okay, more storage on this side. There's your batteries on a slide tray. When this slide is in, easy access to service your batteries. All your fuses, electronics. I tend to stay out of that area. Generator up front. If you have any questions about this coach, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Just 208-250-8625. Ask for coach. That'll get you to me. Everybody's had one they loved or hated. Thank you very much. Bye.